How to factory reset an Alesis Nitro electronic drum kit if the buttons are not responding, if there is no sound, or you have other troubleshooting needs, or if you just want to wipe and delete all of the presets off of it back to the factory default settings so you can start using it as a new device. Now the procedure is slightly different for a Turbo or for a Nitro Max. I'll go ahead and put an end screen so that you can click and see if you need the procedure for those. But it's really easy on this drum kit. All we're going to do is turn the drum kit off, and then we're going to come in and we are going to press and hold these two arrows simultaneously while we power it on. Now we're just going to keep holding this as when we power it on until we see up on the screen it will say RST, indicating that the reset is successful. Then we can go ahead and release these buttons, and now we can go ahead and set this drum kit up like it's brand new basically.